model, 69 plate Ford Transit Connect 240 limited 1.5 TDCI non-runner engine seized Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 164,000. MOT, the 9th of January 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized so will need replacing or repairing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con,